Hey guys, welcome back. So I thought I'd do a little Christmas DIY today, making a Christmas ball. Everything is from the Dollar Tree. You need 2 of the plastic colanders. And like I said, I got these at the Dollar Tree. You're going to need some ribbon, 9 feet, 2 of those big ones, and then 9 feet of the little one, any colors that you want, a glue gun, some fishing line, Gorilla Glue, but I didn't use it. You can if you want. And I had 3 boxes of lights. I wish I'd have gotten 6, and they had the green wires. No, they didn't have any white wires, but it came out okay anyway. But like I said, I would add more lights. The colanders came with handles, and Jason just took his Dremel and just cut those off in there. It's got a clean cut on it. You can cut them off with wire cutters or break them off, whatever. We're going to cover that with ribbon. So let's get started. Grab your lights, not the glue. So just grab your lights, and you want to make sure that you get clear to the end so that the plug-ins are hanging out the back end and the lights are inside. Make sure you go as far to the lights. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the first strand of lights, hold all those apart, and you're going to get the lights down inside the colander, and you're going to take the fishing line and you're going to cut a piece off. You're going to feed it through the holes. So that the 2 end parts are on the inside of the colander. This is a little time consuming, going around every light and hooking them on. Now that you got your lights hooked around the bottom, put the rest of the lights inside. You're going to make sure the end of your lights are on 2 sides of where the handles were taken off. You're going to take your glue gun and you're going to put glue all the way around the rim of the bowl. Make sure to get every part around the rim. Take your other bowl, put it right on top. Make sure the handles are lined up. Separate your wires on your lights. Press down as hard as you can and hold it together. It doesn't take long to set up. I didn't have to wait too long to continue with the project. Flip it over, give it a little shake so that the lights will fall down to the bottom and not the ones that you tied on with a fishing line. Take your ribbon, make sure it's wide enough because you want to cover where you had glued the two bowls together. Start it out there and work your way around to the end of the lights. When I got to the end, I had to cut around the ribbon a little bit to get in around the wires, and then keep gluing pieces in. Now take your little ribbon, and that's going in the middle of the big ribbon that you just put on. So you don't burn your hands or your fingers. It is hot. Work that around. Now cut the end off, glue that little piece down. Like I said, it's hot, so I used my scissors. And this is what it looks like so far. So now we're going to make the bow. And I measured 10 inches. And it was almost the whole roll. And then I folded it 6 times. Now you're going to take your scissors and you're going to cut a V. Be very careful you don't cut completely through. We're just cutting a V and not cutting completely through. I also had enough left over, so I'm going to have these hanging down on the sides under the bow. Glue each one of those down. You can put as many as you want. Now you're going to cut a V on the ends. I always suggest doing this before you glued them on. As you can see, mine are coming off as I'm cutting them, but they still stuck on pretty good after. Just make sure that they're stuck on there good. Now you're going to take a little piece of your white ribbon and you're going to wrap that around the middle of the bow, right in where we cut the V. Now start pulling each one apart. Like I said, you can double up on a lot more, that way you'd have a fuller bow. Just pull each one of those apart. Play around with it, get it to move the way you want. And then when you get it the way that you like it, do your V again on the ends. So now you're going to glue that on. Hold down for just a little bit. This takes a little bit longer to set. Fluff it up the way you want it. Then you're going to take little pieces of your white ribbon. I didn't measure these out, I just cut some pieces off. And then I'm going to glue those under the bow on the ribbons that we glued down. Now you're going to cut your V in those. You can cut them as short or as long as you want. Fluff up your bow. And there you go. Cute little light up Christmas ball. I hope you like my video, guys. Have a great day.